everyone, it's Jenny, and today I have got a Pinchme box to share with you, and I'm getting this video up on Monday, October the 7th, because I want to let you know tomorrow, Tuesday, October the 8th, from noon until 2 p.m., they're going to be having their Sample Tuesday. So, I'm going to have this video up on Monday. Make sure to log on to pinchme.com, sign up for pinchme.com, because that's when they're doing their Sample Tuesday, and you may get some freebies. So yeah, that would be fun. Always try to check it at noon, Eastern time, I think, noon. I'm on Eastern time, I don't know about any other time, but I know it's from noon until 2 p.m. and you can see if you qualify for any samples. So let's see what I got in this Pinchme box. So first off is from Heinz Tomato Ketchup, a blend of veggies, and there's 2 little packets in here. I have not tried the blend of veggies kind. I mean, I don't eat ketchup on a whole lot of stuff. Like, I like it on hamburgers. I don't like it on hot dogs. I don't eat ketchup with my french fries. I don't dip. I just love plain fries. I'm a weirdo, I know. But I might try this on a burger. I think my sister, she got one as well, and she may try it with fries or different things. She likes to dip her stuff. I'm not much of a dipper unless it's like a chip or something that I want to put in like either salsa or cheese dip or something. So there's that. And it has a HelloFresh $50 coupon that I never use. And another thing they sent in here too, I think this is for a wine voucher, a $100 wine voucher. No, I would never spend that type of money on alcohol, but you know. And then I do have a coupon for, it's free anyone Pioneer Woman frozen product. I've not tried this. Has anybody tried it? What do you think? Let me know. I'm excited to try it. It's got a broccoli cauliflower casserole. Okay, that sounds kind of good. Or goat cheese bites. I don't know. The broccoli cauliflower casserole sounds good to me. And I always like to take a frozen dinner with me at lunch. I'm trying to be a little bit more healthier, but the frozen dinners are so convenient. And then last but not least, this is from Blistex, and I'm so excited to try this. It's their conditioning lip serum. 1 drop deeply conditions nutrient-rich oils and vitamin E. It's got a pump. Let's see if I can actually open it. I've had this box for a while, and I opened it, but I haven't used anything in it. So that's what it looks like. So it's got a pump. It's from Blistex Conditioning Lip Serum. This is going to be perfect for winter. It actually feels like fall today. We're in fall. So this is supposed to moisturize and completely revitalize lips. So super excited to try. Remember, Pinchme Tuesday is tomorrow. So make sure you sign up if you haven't signed up already. And make sure to log on to see if you qualify for any samples. Hope you give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, I would love to have you here. And with that, have a fabulous day. Bye.